Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Pixel Box. In this video I will show you 3 methods to remove any objects from any kind of image. So without wasting time, let's jump right into the video. This is the image that I will use. Let's remove this person from this image. If you are using the latest version of Photoshop, you have this option of object selection tool. You can select your object easily with this. As you can see, it automatically selects the object and make a selection. The other way of doing this is go to select and click on the subject. Now let's remove the object. Go to edit and click on content aware fill. But as you can see in the image, we can see the edges of the image. To resolve this, let's go back and click on select, modify and expand it about 5 pixels. Now your selection is expanded. Now go to edit again and content aware fill. As you can see, there is no sharp edges on this image after removing the object. Now click on apply and click on OK. Press Ctrl+D to deselect your selection, and there you have. This was the first and the easiest method to remove the object. But it won't work if you have a busy background or a lot of details in your image, like this image. In this image, if you try to remove the object by going on select, subject, expand it and click on content aware fill, you can see this won't work in this kind of image. Let's talk about the second method of removing the object from your image. This is the manual method of removing the object by using clone stamp tool. I will make this area a sample area by holding the Alt key and right click. You can see the area that it is cloning from. Here's the hardest part. Let's select this area for clone and match it with the line of the bar and slowly and gradually remove it. Do this until you are satisfied with the results. I will pause forward this video. Now for the shadows, let's clone it again. Align it as possible as you can. With this method, you can easily remove the shadows too. Repeat the same process as before. Clone, align and remove. And that's how you can remove objects manually. The clone method works perfectly, but it also is difficult to do when the background is like this. This background is busy and there are a lot of things happening in the background. So how we remove objects from these kind of images? Now let's talk about the third method of removing the objects, where you just need to upload your image and click on generate. Yes, I am talking about dall-E. Just upload your image. Now let's edit this image. Now let's select the object, explain the scene and click on generate. It will generate 4 images based on your image. As you can see, it generated 4 pictures based on our image. Let's click on the first one. The second one generated some kind of flowers, and the third one generates some kind of bush. and this is the best image I think. And that's how you can remove objects from your image. These were the 3 best methods of removing an object from your images. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments below that which method you will use if you want to remove an object from your image. And thanks for watching.